Welcome to this video on 5 common mistakes in career exploration and how to avoid them. Career exploration is a crucial part of our professional journey. It helps us understand our passions, values, and strengths, as well as map out our career path. But despite its importance, many of us stumble upon certain pitfalls that can obstruct our career progression. These missteps can range from neglecting self-reflection to disregarding work-life balance. Let's delve deeper into these common pitfalls and learn how to sidestep them. The first mistake often made is the lack of self-reflection. You see, embarking on a career journey without a clear understanding of your passions, values, and strengths is like setting sail without a compass. It's easy to get lost in the sea of job titles and industries, ending up in a role that doesn't truly fulfill you. Self-reflection isn't just about identifying what you're good at, but also understanding what sparks joy in your work. It's about recognizing what you value most in a professional setting. Is it a collaborative environment? Or perhaps it's the thrill of problem solving that keeps you motivated? Without this understanding, you may find yourself in a career that ticks all the conventional boxes: prestige, salary, stability, but leaves you feeling unfulfilled, unsatisfied, or even stressed at the end of the day. Remember, a career choice is a significant life decision. It's more than just a paycheck, it's where you'll spend a considerable portion of your waking hours. It's a part of your life that can bring tremendous satisfaction and sense of purpose when aligned with your passions, values, and strengths. Avoid this mistake by setting aside time for self-reflection and discovering what truly matters to you in a career. The second mistake lies in overlooking transferable skills. Now, what do we mean by transferable skills? Essentially, these are abilities that you've developed in one setting, which can be applied in another. For instance, if you've managed a team in a restaurant, you've developed leadership skills. These skills can be transferred to any management role, not just within the hospitality industry. However, many people tend to downplay these skills, thinking they are only relevant to their specific job or industry. That's a big mistake. Ignoring these skills can severely limit your career options and potential growth. Remember, every experience you've had has equipped you with a unique set of skills. These skills can be transferred and utilized in various roles across diverse industries. Think about it. Communication, problem-solving, leadership, project management, these are all transferable skills that employers value. So how do you avoid this mistake? Start by recognizing your skills from previous experiences. Understand their value and consider how they can be applied to potential jobs. This will give you a broader perspective on your career possibilities, opening doors you might not have considered before. To avoid this, recognize your skills from previous experiences and consider how they can be applied to potential jobs. The third common mistake is focusing solely on salary. It's easy to be drawn to a job because of its attractive paycheck. However, a high-paying job may not always translate into job satisfaction. Money, while important, isn't the only factor to consider when evaluating a job offer. Take a moment to think about what truly matters to you at work. Is it the role itself, the company culture, the opportunities for growth and advancement? These aspects can significantly influence your happiness and fulfillment at work. A high-paying job that doesn't align with your values, interests, or long-term career goals can leave you feeling unfulfilled and unsatisfied. Furthermore, remember that job satisfaction often translates into better performance, which could lead to promotions and salary increases down the line. So in a way, not focusing solely on salary now could potentially earn you more in the long run. Don't make this mistake. Look beyond the salary and consider all aspects of a job offer. Neglecting informational interviews is our fourth mistake. These interviews are like gold mines, brimming with insights about a specific industry or job role that you might be interested in. They offer a first-hand perspective, straight from the horse's mouth, if you will. When you skip these, you risk missing out on valuable knowledge that could shape your career choices. You lose the chance to ask questions, clarify doubts, and gain a comprehensive understanding of potential careers. So, remember, don't just read about it or watch a video, go out there and talk to people. Ensure you conduct informational interviews to gain a well-rounded understanding of potential career paths. The fifth and final mistake is disregarding work-life balance. A career isn't just a means to an end, it's a substantial part of life. Therefore, maintaining a healthy work-life balance is crucial to not just your professional, but also your personal well-being. Picture this, a seesaw, perfectly balanced. On one side we have work and on the other life. If one side is heavier, the balance is lost, leading to stress, burnout, and dissatisfaction. As tempting as it might be to prioritize work above all else, especially when starting a new career, remember that your productivity and satisfaction are intertwined with your ability to balance work with relaxation, hobbies, and personal relationships. Don't let your career overshadow every other aspect of your life. Always prioritize work-life balance when considering a career path. In conclusion, career exploration is a crucial process that requires careful consideration. Remember to engage in self-reflection, leverage your transferable skills, look beyond salary, include informational interviews, and prioritize work-life balance. Avoid these common pitfalls and you'll be on your way to a fulfilling and successful career journey.